How to use MISK Wearable Electric Breast Pump MY-380. First, take the T-junction, attach the valve and attach diaphragm properly. Then take the milk cup and check the 3 base point and the circle part. Take the assembled T-junction and attach it in a milk cup. This assembly is very important. If it doesn't fix properly, milk suction will not happen. Check the bottom part and side part that it is fixed properly or not. Attach the motor. Long press the power button to switch on. Press M button to change the modes. Press plus button to increase the suction level. 12 is the highest suction level. Put the finger inside. You will feel the suction in your finger. See diaphragm is going up down properly or not. Press the minus button to decrease the suction level. If you slightly press the power button, this means the product is in a pause function. Long press to power off. Attach the breast shield properly. If you not fit properly, you may find the leakages. You may remove the motor and then attach the breast shield. I have attached earlier to check for the suction. Check your nipple size. The default size of this breast pump is 24 mm. It comes with 17 mm, 19 mm and 21 mm additional flanges. You have to put the flange like this to pour the milk, remove the motor and pour the milk from this side as shown in a video.
All parts are washable. Make sure before using you dry each and every part and then assemble it and attach with the motor, as the motor is not water friendly. We wish you happy breastfeeding. Thank you for watching.